Want to make money online with AI? Well, you're in luck. AI tools are exploding right now, and if you're not using them, you're missing out on serious cash. In this video, I'll show you 5 insanely powerful AI tools that people are using to make thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part? You can start for free. Let's go. First up, we have ChatGPT. This AI can write blogs, emails, scripts, and even full business plans. People are making thousands by selling ChatGPT-generated content on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Just type in a command, and boom, content in seconds. So if you've ever wanted to make money writing, ChatGPT is your new best friend. Next up, we have Midjourney. This AI creates mind-blowing images that you can sell as NFTs, digital prints, or even merch. People are making a fortune selling AI-generated art on Etsy and Redbubble. If you're even a little creative, Midjourney is a gold mine. Now, let's talk about making money on YouTube without showing your face. Pictory is an AI video editor that turns text into videos automatically. People are running YouTube automation channels with this tool, making $10,000 plus per month with zero editing skills. If you want to automate a YouTube channel and make money passively, this is the tool for you. Ever wanted to be a copywriter without actually writing? Jasper AI is a next-level writing assistant that helps businesses create high-converting ads, sales pages, and emails. If you want to make money online but hate writing, Jasper AI does the work for you. And last but not least, OpusClip. This AI tool is blowing up because it automatically turns long videos into viral TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you've ever seen those engaging short clips with captions, you can bet AI did the work. With short-form content dominating social media, this AI tool can make you serious cash. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI money-making strategies, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. See you soon.